we are visiting the sunflower farm. That day was hot, guys. It's over the 90s, close to 100. My goodness, it is crazy hot. But I enjoyed the day. Yeah, we didn't stay long because it's too hot. Too hot. It's unbelievable hot. But I enjoyed the day. That's my first time there. Maybe next time I'm not gonna choose the day like that because it's too hot. I like in the 80s, 70s. That's a good temperature to walk around. Yeah. Look at this bee in the beautiful gardens. It's very nice. Purple flowers on the background. Enjoy. Very nice. We have a lot of that flowers, and the bee loves it. Yeah. Look at that. That's a big one. Now that's, I don't know what type of bee that is. Look at these two lovebirds. They take care of each other. They're so adorable. Yeah. They're grooming each other. Yeah.
We're just invading their privacy.
Aww. That is adorable. Oh my god.
So cute. Look at that possum.
Guys, we have a possum. Possum. Oh no.
The white and gray fur. I was just walking to his path while he was about to cross the road. Yeah.
Look at that.
Kind of make a little hiss sound to make him turn back. Yeah. But he was staring at me. Does it look like a little giant monster? Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. He's a good possum. Yeah. Yeah, normally if they see big animals, and they normally play dead. I don't know what kind of plant this is. Yeah. But okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.